Have you ever wanted to light your own fireworks? Well, with the Turbo 9000 fireworks, they'll fly to the moon like Neil Armstrong.
I gotta try this. Can I get 1 matchstick and 2 Turbo 9000 fireworks, please?
Okay, here's one.
Thank you.
Second one.
Thank you.
Here's the lighter.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Got these fireworks here. Light 1, light 2. Oh, my firework. Okay. Okay. Now we just gotta set them up. Oh. Am I on the moon?